So hey guys and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to improve your phone's battery life plus increase storage and also make it perform faster better. So let's get started. Recommend you to use apps like Spotify Lite in place of Spotify and or even Facebook Lite in place of Facebook. So even you can use apps like Instagram on web without download. Next step is using the Hibernator app. It saves your app. It stops the other apps from functioning in the background. So you have to open the app. I have given the link in the description and press this button. If you press that button, it will hibernate all the apps. And if you want, you can create a shortcut too. You can make it sleep and hibernate it. So here is the button. You can use that to hibernate apps. So next up we have clearing cached data. So go into settings, storage and USB. Next internal storage and click on cached data and clear. Do this 3 to 4 times and it will clear your cached data.